Clouds are one of the ways that water is stored in the air. Clouds cover a lot of our Earth. They form when the air is filled with water vapor and can't hold any more. The water vapor changes into clouds through condensation. Many clouds form over oceans, where the water evaporates into water vapor and rises into the sky. Even in dry places like deserts, you find clouds. That tells us that water is in the air everywhere. Most clouds are made of small water droplets. The droplets form when invisible water vapor finds enough tiny particles, like smoke or pollen, to help them start growing. You can make a cloud in a bottle. Have an adult light a match and then blow it out so that some smoke goes into a plastic bottle. Cover the bottle, squeeze it for a few seconds, and then let go. You'll see a cloud inside. Nature's clouds float in air. They can travel and stretch for thousands of miles or kilometers. Wind moves clouds around the planet as they change shape. When they are thick, they block the sun to reflect sunlight and keep part of the Earth cooler in the day. At night, clouds keep you a little warmer because they help to trap heat like a blanket. Clouds that are high, or clouds in very cold places, are made of ice crystals instead of water droplets. When the sun or moon shines through thin clouds made of ice crystals, we often see a pretty sight called a halo. It's a ring of color. Some clouds are very low and on the ground. These clouds are called fog. We find fog in places where there is a lot of water on the ground or moisture in the air near the ground. Fog forms when moisture is added to the air or when the air cools down a lot. We can see fog on clear nights when the wind is calm, especially if it rained a lot earlier. Fog can develop in mountain valleys and over snow. There are also many lakes, rivers, and oceans where fog forms over the water and then the wind pushes it onto land. When the sun is strong and heats up the air, or when wind mixes the air, the fog disappears, but the moisture is still floating in the air. Some fog is only a few feet or meters off of the ground, while other fog can rise as high as a tall building. When fog is thick, it makes travel dangerous because drivers can't see very far and pilots can't safely find airport runways.